Hi everyone, this is SREE, Maths faculty in Talla Padmavathi International School. Today let us discuss Chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas of Class 6. In this chapter, first we are going to learn about what is geometry and also some of the geometrical related terms. What is geometry, children? Yes, geometry is a branch of mathematics, and geometry comes from the Greek word geometron. Here, geo means earth and metron means measurement. Completely, it is a measurement. So, children, which here we are going to deal about the properties and relation of lines, angles, surface and some of the solids. Point. What is a point? Yeah, a point is a small dot and it is denoted by a capital alphabet like capital P, Q, A, B, C, whatever it may be. It shows an exact location for place. It has no magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but it doesn't have length or it doesn't have breadth, and also there is no thickness for it. That is about point. Triangles. A triangle is a simple closed figure with 3 line segments. So here in the figure, if you observe, we have a triangle ABC where we have 3 line segments AB, BC and CA. So if you observe the points A, B, C, they are called as vertices. And here 3 angles are formed. They are angle A, angle B and angle C. Next is line. Line has no starting point and no ending point. In both the directions, it goes on continuously, children. So this arrow marks here shows that there is no end in both the directions. Line segment. A line segment has a starting point and also ending point. See, if you can see here 2 dots, it has a starting point and also the ending point. So here line segment, we can measure it, but whereas line we can't measure it as it doesn't have a starting point and there is no end point. Ray. A ray has a beginning point but it has no end point. That means, children, here there is a starting point but there is no end point. So if you see a light over here, a torch light, the light will be coming from a torch. So here you can see the starting point, but where the light ends we don't know. That means that is a ray. So children, a ray is a part of line which has one end point and extends indefinitely on the other side. It has a starting point and there is no end point for the ray. Parallel lines. The lines which do not meet at any place or at any cost, that lines are called as parallel lines. And the distance between the 2 lines will be constant. That means the distance will be same everywhere. So such lines are said to be parallel lines. Intersecting lines. So when the 2 lines or when the 2 line segments meet at a point, they are called as intersecting lines. So if you observe in the figure, here AB and PQ line segments are intersecting at a point K. So here K is called the point of intersection or intersecting point. Plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends indefinitely in all the direction. Example, here you can see the wall. The wall here is a plane. Angles. So children, an angle is formed by two rays starting from the same initial point. So when you draw the two rays, the initial point should be same for the two rays. Then there is an angle formed. So here if you see AB and AC are the two rays. They are called as the sides of the angle. And if you see the initial point of AB and AC, that is A. So children, it is called as vertex of the angle. And here we can name the angle in three ways. One is angle A, angle BAC, and angle CAB. In the three ways we can represent the angle. Next is types of angles. So here children, we have types of angles. One is acute angle. So acute angle is if the measure of an angle is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees, then we can say that it is an acute angle. If the measure of an angle is exactly 90 degrees, then we can say that it is a right angle. Next, if the measure of an angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, then such angles are called as obtuse angle. If the measure of an angle is exactly 180 degrees, then that angle is called as straight angle. And if the measure of an angle is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, then such angles are called as reflex angle. If the measure of an angle is exactly 360 degrees, then we can say that it is a complete angle. Polygons. What are polygons? A simple closed figure with three or more line segments are called as polygons. So if it has three line segments, then it is called as a triangle. If a simple closed figure with four line segments, then it is called as a quadrilateral. If it is a simple closed figure with five line segments, then it is called as pentagon. A simple closed figure with six line segments, it is called as hexagon, and so on. Triangles. A triangle is a simple closed figure with three line segments. So here in the figure, if you observe, we have a triangle ABC where we have three line segments AB, BC and CA. So if you observe the points A, B, C, they are called as vertices. And here three angles are formed. They are angle A, angle B and angle C. Quadrilateral. So a simple closed figure with four line segments is called a quadrilateral. Here in the figure, if you observe, ABCD is a quadrilateral, and here you have four sides, children. They are AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the four line segments, and here four angles are formed. They are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And there are four vertices. Vertex is nothing but where the two line segments join at a point. So here if you see, AB and AD are joining at a point A. So like that, the vertices are point A, B, C and D. So these are the 4 vertices.
A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. And from the where we draw a circle, that point is called as center. The distance which we take to draw a circle is called as a radius. Next term is diameter. A diameter is a chord passing through the center. And a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Even diameter is also a chord. Next, circumference. Distance around the circle is called as circumference. Thank you.